Thank you for all my subscribers. I love you all. Today we're going to switch gear and make something sweet with glutinous rice flour. We're making a super buttery, coconutty mochi cake all from scratch. It's super easy but incredibly delicious. It goes so well with coffee, tea, or just eat it by itself. Let's get started. First, we're going to add in our glutinous rice flour. When you buy glutinous rice flour, make sure it's called glutinous rice flour and not just rice flour. The packages could look really similar. Then we need some dried coconut flakes to make it coconutty. Now I'm going to put in half cup of coconut flakes, and then we're adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of magic baking powder. We need 1 can of coconut milk. If you want intense coconut flavor, just use regular coconut milk. 4 large eggs. The eggs will give our cake a very nice golden crust. We're going to add in half cup of condensed milk. Condensed milk is going to give our cake this really nice milky flavor to it. And we don't need to add additional sugar to our cake because condensed milk is already super sweet. You can also get to lick these as well. That's so good. And last, half cup of melted butter for a buttery mochi cake. And I'm just going to stir it up. I'm going to use my very old baking sheets here. It is 13 by 9 by 2. I'm going to line the baking sheets with parchment paper so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Make sure it also covers some of the edges as well. And then we're going to pour our cake batter into the pan. We're going to bake the cake in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Now we're going to flip the cake upside down. Ta-da! We're going to wait till the cake is completely cooled down before we cut it, otherwise it can be a little bit sticky. I'm going to do a diamond cut today. This cake tastes so good after it's cooled, especially the next day. Our mochi cake is super buttery and squishy. Now we're going to drizzle more condensed milk and sprinkle coconut flakes to it. And our mochi cake is all done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like or subscribe to my channel. I will be delighted. Wow, that's a big bite!